Very good morning, students. My name is Kushal Raj Mishra and I am PGT Chemistry in St. Edmunds School, Jawahar, Nagar. As we all know that our final board exams are coming towards us, and right now the scenario is like that we are going to attend the practicals which will be conducted in the presence of external examiners as well as your internal examiners. So in the particular chemistry there are 4 practicals. 4 questions will be there in your practical examination. First question will be the volumetric analysis, which will carry 4 marks. Second question will be the salt analysis, which will also carry the 4 marks, and then content based experiment, which will carry 2 marks, and the last and the final your class record and viva, which will carry 5 marks. Like this there will be total 15 marks will be there in your practical examination. The time duration, earlier it was like 1.5 hours, but now there are some amendments in this, and now timing is approximately 3 hours for the practical, for performing the practicals actually. So इसी चीज में अपन अगर थोड़ा सा आगे चले, so further we will discuss about volumetric analysis. There will be volumetric analysis which will carry 4 marks, which will be finding the concentration of potassium permanganate solution, KMnO4 solution, जिसकी हमको concentration पता करनी है, and that will be with the help of ferrous ammonium sulfate, that is Mohor salt, and oxalic acid. These two will be your titrates for finding out the concentration of KMnO4 solution. Then we will go to the salt analysis, where you are going to identify one anionic salt and one anionic radical and one cationic radical in the given inorganic salt with the help of different and various experiments. Then you will go through the content based experiment, which is carrying 2 different options. First is the preparation of inorganic compound, like you can prepare ferrous ammonium sulfate, and second will be the identification of organic compounds like alcoholic group, carboxylic acid group, phenolic group, aniline group, anything which will you want, or which you are doing or pursuing the thing. Then final, there will be class record and viva. So class record and also your project file, which is you are going to submit to the internal examiner or the external examiner. The project file will consist of an investigatory project. Investigatory means like you are going to find out the oxalate ion in guava, or presence of casein, that is basically a protein in the milk. So further like this you can go, and for viva you can prepare your practicals and your subject. That's it. Thank you very much.